Go. Okay, now, do you want the ultimate car for 1/18 scale for the big bucks? This is what you want to get, the Python. And then we're going to show you the Scope or the Samurai, but this is the Python. This is pure power, pure absolute rage power. I mean speed beyond comparison. This is the Scorpion. Look at this thing. This thing is like, it's like, look at the size of these wheels. You want to go super fast. You want to go super fast. Well, this is the way you do it, okay? I mean, this is where you dominate the mountains. You dominate the forest. You dominate the rivers. You dominate everywhere you race on. And that is what the Python does. It's like a Python. The Python, now this is a brushed motor, okay? It has a high-powered extra battery in it, okay? It's all got a plastic but high-quality suspension, metal gears,
headlight,
metal suspension here. It's all available at ProtinkerToys.com, and this is the Python, baby. This is pure RC power, and these are on sale right now for $2.99. These were $3.99. We knocked $100 off it. Absolute power, baby. Absolute. And this is the Python. Now the problem is always trying to get these things right back in there. And of course, then I drop them.